In this video, I'm going to show you an easy and effective way to mount props in your holiday light shows. I'm going to be using a few build examples from our community just to highlight some different techniques that you can use when doing this. But all you have to do is get some off-the-shelf electrical conduit. You can get different sizes. There's 1/2 inch, 3/4, and 1 inch locally available to you. And then we manufacture these fittings that allow you to use EMT conduit to build all kinds of custom structures. And people in the holiday light show community have found the combination of materials to be really useful for building all kinds of stuff, as we've seen over the years. And they allow you to mount props and create frames for props really easily, and you don't have to do any welding. To cut EMT conduit, to custom dimensions, you just need a handheld pipe and tube cutter, and then to assemble the connectors that we manufacture, you just need a 5mm hex wrench. So you're putting together frames with no power tools, and you can do it out in your yard, you can do it out in the field, whatever you need to do to get it done, you can really easily, and you can make custom frames. And I've got 4 builds that I've picked out here to kind of highlight some of the ways that people have used EMT conduit and maker pipe connectors to make these frames. And this first one is a really awesome sign that goes on the roof of this house here. And this was shared a couple years ago by Steve. And here we can see where he essentially just made these angled panels that the Coroplast letters can attach to. And of course, you don't want to have to drill in your roof or do something crazy, where you have to modify your roof, especially if you're just going to put these up for a little bit of time every year. So Steve just made these frames that are angled and essentially just sit and kind of rest on the very peak of the roof, and then have some legs on the front with rubber pipe feet that kind of angle the sign and make this frame and make the sign really easy to mount to the frame. And we can see here that it's just a combination of a really simple connector that is really common, and that's the Maker Pipe T connector, where essentially here he's got just a 2-dimensional rectangle using 4 of the T connectors just to make this base rectangle. And then he's got 2 more T connectors kind of on the edge of that rectangle sticking out, and that is oriented in a way that the connectors can just effectively go up through the frame just like that. And then he's got 2 more T connectors on the back part of the frame, and that just creates these angled pieces of conduit that go up into, you guessed it, 2 more T connectors. And essentially that is all you need to make that frame. And then the panels, the Coroplast sign just mounts directly to that. And at the very end of the video, I'm going to show something really cool that you guys can use to make this process even easier. So stick around for that. And then essentially, like I said, you don't want to drill into your house or into your roof. So he just used some steel cable and some sandbags and different things to mount this and make sure that it stays stable up there, but also allows him to add this really cool sign to his show. And so that's the first frame I wanted to show you guys. Here we can see more photos of it with everything attached and on the roof. Looks fantastic and is just a really cool frame that makes some custom signage and custom props like this possible. So that's really cool. Next up is another one, and this is kind of similar. This is something that Peter did, and Peter was on a budget and wanted to do this, and so he made effective frames that just utilize some more of the Maker Pipe T connectors, and then just some long spans of EMT conduit, as we can see here, that go from one side of his roof to the other. And it's pretty much the same kind of thing, except this time, these are painted black, and the conduit is black as well, which, once it's dark outside, this frame is kind of hidden, and then all you have is just the props up there. It looks like they're just floating, especially like the bat that just, it's floating up there above the roof. And just a really simple and effective way to make props and prop frames without having to do any welding or modifications to the side of your house. And that's really cool. And I think this one has long vertical poles that go down to the ground and are anchored. And then they have some of the rubber pipe feet and some angled pieces of conduit to kind of keep this stable up on the roof, as you can see there. So that's really cool and an awesome job from Peter. Next up is very similar, where Keith kind of utilized some existing prop frames that he had and then made some more prop frames with EMT conduit and Maker Pipe, as we can see here. And essentially, it's just long spans of EMT conduit going from one side of the roof to the other, as we can see here, and then it's got some of the like fake fencing attached to it. Then he's got T connectors with vertical poles going up, and that is what this ghost prop is attached to, as you can see there. And again, it's painted black so that the whole framework is hidden when it's dark outside. And we can see, different utilization of materials. He's got some of this T-slot. I forget what that's called off the top of my head. Is it Unistrut? Not sure if that's Unistrut. I think it is. But, kind of combining Unistrut frames that he already had in place with EMT conduit, and just essentially making these really effective frames for the prop mounting. And you can customize them super super easy. It's just a matter of mounting connectors and pieces of conduit wherever you need them. You can customize the dimensions. This one over here is wider for the Ghost. This one is skinnier. Just 2 poles going up to support this cross there. So just really cool things that you can do with the EMT conduit, and it's really simple and easy. And then there you can see the show active and going, and that's really cool. So that's an awesome one. Next up is another cool one, and this one is from Matthew, and this was shared. This is a prop that he did out in his yard. Like I said, you may not want to mount things to the side of your house or modify your house in any way, but you can also utilize this out in your yard to make really easy frames for props, and that's exactly what he did here with this triangular frame that just utilizes some 3/4 inch EMT conduit, some of the adjustable angle hinge connectors, and then you'll notice here that the prop is actually mounted to the EMT conduit frame, and that's what I teased a little bit earlier. This is Inspire Light Shows that he shared a link to, and they have all kinds of mounts and different things. I think you can buy from their website, and then you can also get the STL files here, as you can see, and it's made specifically for EMT conduit, and it's made so you can mount your Coroplast props and different things to your EMT conduit frames, and that's going to make this even easier. Just with a few hand tools, you can build your frames for the props, and then you can use something like that to mount them to your frames, and you've got really strong and sturdy and easy and simple frames that you can put together for your light shows, and it's really effective and it's really awesome, and we love seeing these things from the community. There's been all kinds of light shows shared over the year, and it's always a pleasure to see them, so we really appreciate it. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you have any questions, if you're building a custom light show and you need to do something custom and you're not sure how to do it with conduit connectors but you want to, just definitely reach out to us and we'll do our best to help in any way that we can. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.